So guys, good afternoon. I would like to teach you how to operate or how to install this portable gas stove. So it's easy to use, guys. It's already fixed, this one. So you need to do is put this burner here and then open this gas. Okay, this is not refillable, so just insert here. There's a lock over there, so yan. So now it's easy to put here. See, as you can see, this is for gas stove, for the gas. So now, okay, this is a disposable gas. Okay, so now there is a lock and unlock. So you need to press lock before you use. That's it, and then you should turn on like that. So that it's easy, like that only.
Easy to
So now switch off, then unlock. So how to open this? Easy, just like that. Yes, then take it out like that.
Take it in.
It's like that only. Okay.